Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use Google Drive to back up important data from our Android device. Google Drive is very important in case you want to save important files, and it is free. It is available on your Android device. So how do you use this application? First of all, you open it just like I open now, and you see this interface. This suggestion is just showing you the recent app that you have opened. This file that you can see on screen now is a file that I opened earlier today. So now we're going to go through the functionalities by clicking on the three lines, and you see this recent. So starting with recent, when you click on it, the recent will only show you the files that you have recently uploaded. So those pictures that you saw are what I uploaded recently. The next is offline. Offline are files that you can view even without internet connectivity. So I don't have any files here because normally I always have internet, but if you choose to, you can put some files here and you can access them even without internet connection. Next is bin. This is recycle bin, just like the one in your computer. If you want to delete, if you delete any file, it will be there for 60 days until you delete them permanently. Then next is the backups. These backups is backup that I made for my Galaxy S20 device. The whole device has been backed up, phone numbers and everything, and you can see even my WhatsApp has been backed up. So in case I lost my phone or I want to switch to a new phone, I need to worry about nothing. All my data has been backed up here, and I can just come to this Google Drive and retrieve or restore back this data. This is very cool. Next is I want to show you the settings. Here you can see that it says storage. I have 743 gigabyte out of 2 terabyte. Normally when you sign up for Google Drive, it comes with 15 gigabyte free storage. So this 15 gigabyte free storage is free, but you can upgrade it. So for me, I feel like I need more space because this 2 terabyte is what I use, and you can see now I have used about maybe only 40%. I haven't even used half of it, and I pay this service monthly. So you can see the next step in the settings are backup and reset. You can choose the theme, you can clear cache, you can see the cache size, and all other settings that you can play around with. Then now the most important part of the video, if you want to save any important file, how do you do? So you see that you have these buttons below the screen. You have files, you have shared, you have starred, you have home, and you have the little plus sign. When you click on the little plus sign, you will see that you have 6 options. The first one is to create a folder where you can upload some document into a folder that you create. Next one is just to upload, whereby, for example, if you just have a picture, you just upload it into the drive. Next is scan. The next one is Google Docs for Microsoft Word document. The next one is Google Sheets for Excel workbooks, and the last one is Google Slide for PowerPoint. So starting with the middle one, which is upload, I will just click on it and I will see these options. You can see from the top, there is image, there is audio, there is video. So let's say I want to upload a picture. This picture that I took the day before yesterday, now it says your file has been uploaded. I can go back and click on upload again, and then upload another file. I can choose another picture like this one now, and it says your file has been uploaded. So this file will be uploaded forever, and unless I delete it, we will see in a short while where this file is being saved at. Next is to see how to create a folder. Now you click on the folder, and then it will say untitled folder, and you can rename it. So for example, this photo that I just uploaded is for the Quranic graduation of my nephew, and I'll create a folder called Quranic graduation pictures, and then click on create. So after I create the folder, what I need to do now is to search for this folder. When I click on the plus sign, I will search for the folder that I created, then I upload the pictures inside. So all these folders that you can see are all created long time ago, but just now that we created this folder called Quranic graduation, I can just search for it, Quranic graduation, here it is, and then click on the plus sign, and here easily I can just click on upload. If I click on upload, then I can highlight all the pictures. If there are 1,000, I can just upload them at once. So for example, I want to upload only these ones. I can click and hold, and then click up there where you see select, and then all these files are now being uploaded. They will remain there forever. You see that it says that your 6 files have been uploaded, and these files will not be deleted, and they will be there until and unless you delete them. They will be there forever. So it is important, because one day you will lose your phone, one day you will your phone might get stolen, and it is important to use Google Drive to save important file. So this is how you save files in Google Drive. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, so that others will benefit as well. Thank you.